Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I wanted to bring you guys a clean with me, so I hope you guys enjoy it. So I'm putting away the cheese and I'm washing all of the pots and the pans, and after washing everything I'm just gonna put it in a drying rack, and I'm gonna go ahead and towel dry everything and put everything away right away, because if I don't, guys, I will get super lazy and I will not want to put it away later. So just get it done right away. You will thank yourself later for it, I promise you, and it's so easy. Alright my loves, for this part I will be using the Lysol Clean and Fresh Multi-Surface Cleaner. The scent is Hawaii Sunset, and dish soap and some water and this rag that I got from Dollar Tree. And the stuff here that I'm using is 99.9% bacterial killer and virus killer. Yes, it's my favorite. I absolutely love it, and the stuff has lasted me for so long, and I'm just wiping it all clean. And now I'm putting everything back. I'm wiping everything down and just putting it back to where it belongs. And guys, we are almost done. I'm super excited.
I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break it any moment and shatter your insides. If you feel my mind, call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line.
We are washing the sink. Oh, I love washing the sink. I want you guys to write down in the comment box if you guys like to wash the sink too. And I am just putting everything back to where it belongs. If you live in an apartment building like I do and you don't have enough storage, I recommend this storage system. I picked it up at Ocean State Job Lot, but you can pick this up at IKEA and Walmart, and it works amazing. It literally houses everything that I need housed, like my pastas, my potatoes, my carrots, well, not my carrots, my squash, anything like that, our snacks, our breakfast items, and I keep the microwave and the toaster there for breakfast time. And I'm just sweeping the floor. There was a lot of dirt, guys, a lot from the onions. And I do mop the floor, but at nighttime, so I don't mop in the morning and at night. So this is all that I do, guys, and we are all done. Wait, there is the one thing that is missing. I need to light the candle. Just wiping away all of the furniture pieces, and for the furniture pieces I'm using a wood cleaner, and I'm just making sure I'm doing a really good job because I don't do this every single day. So when I do it, I just want to make sure that I'm doing a decent job. And I'm just continuing with the wiping of the mirrors, and now I'm gonna get ready to start wiping the table. That looks super gross and disgusting. And I'm also wiping all the chairs and all the legs and everything like that. You don't want to forget all that stuff. And onto the bar cart, we are just going to clean everything that's on it, take everything out, and I'm washing a lot of this glass stuff.